Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2020 Nissan Navara, stock number 6429. It's around from the 4th 2015 to the current shape. It has a YS23 TT 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a YS23 TT 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Left rear factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door, good private. Right front door, good private. Right front door mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight. Right front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Manual gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.